Hello guys, my name is Murtaza Mustafa Hirani and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how you can use MS Excel on PC, and it's quite easy. Now we will just divide the sections so it is easy for us to learn. Now what is Microsoft Office Excel? Now Microsoft Office Excel is a component of the Microsoft Office, and it can be used to analyze, track and tabulate numbers and alphanumeric data. See? Okay. So now let's proceed that what is and how it is used. It is quite easy. Now A, B, C, D are the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are the rows. Now you should know that how many rows and columns are there in the Microsoft Office Excel sheet. So there are 1,048,576 rows, and there are 16,384 columns, and it is quite easy to just navigate. Now I show you that here this is, and in the rows, in the column section, except D is the last column. Now how we will perform the calculation in the Excel. So let's start. Now A is the column. Now for example, we write the numbers in the Excel worksheet like 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. How we will calculate this? It is the main question, and it is the most frequently asked question on Google as well. So let's calculate this. First of all, remember that whenever you start any formula in the Excel, you will start with the equal to sign, then the row and the column. Now A column and the first row. Now sorry, so we will be just splitting this in the C. Now D is the column in first row. So now 1, 2, 3, enter 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. For example only, not just like that. Equal to sign. Now D column and first row and the second row as well. So we will just start with the equal to sign. As I said before, that it is important to include the equal to sign before you use any formula in the Excel. So we will just start with the sign. Now D1 into D2, and this will be the result, and as well as in equal to D1 plus D2, so it will show the addition. Now in the similar way, we will be doing D1 minus D2, so it will be the minus answer, as well as the divide, D1 divided by D2. Here are the answers, and it is quite easy for us to calculate. But in some conditions, the people are so confused that they cannot perform any calculation in this Excel sheet. And there are 3 sheets that are by default in the MS Excel workbook. At the top, it is written on top. Now home, insert, and these are the tabs in which we can go through easily. Now let's execute these whole things. Where it is gone actually. Now we will be doing the conditional formatting, and it is quite easy for us to do this. So let's open the file. I will tell you that how it is done. Now let's open it with a new. Open the file. I am opening the file. Now it is on the desktop, so just I will get this sheet file. Open. I have already made this quite a bit easy for you to just understand. Now in this, it is just a probable. Now we will be removing all the formats, so I can explain you that how it is done. Now I have made the clear formats. So it is just removed. See? Okay. Now in this, I have given the marks to the student of 5 subjects: Maths, English, Urdu, PST and Economics. Now we want to know that which student have achieved more than the 90% mark. So we will just go to the conditional formatting and highlight cells rule, and then we will press the greater than, and then value 90. And here are the some recommendations. So we will use it. Now see, it is quite a bit clear in this Excel sheet that these two students, AFC 124 and AFC 128, has got 90 plus marks in Urdu and Economics. As well as one more example. Who has got the 80 plus marks? So we will just type it and we will just highlight them. And it's quite easy for us to highlight as well. Not this. 80 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 students who have achieved 80 plus marks in their particular subjects. So it is quite easy for us to understand that what it is used for and how it is used. And now I will tell you that how you can calculate this all. So the concept should be clear more easily. Now how I calculate this total amount? Just by equal sign, sum. It is not going sum. This is the sum, and I have just select them all, and just closing the bracket, and that's it. And I will now break this cell, and it's done. As well as average. It is quite easy to calculate average and all these things. Average. It is not come. Now by average, I will just select as well as I done in this list before, and after this I will close the bracket and enter. Here is the average. Here is the average of the 5 students who have got the marks in the 5 subjects, and I will just drag it down easily. Here is all the average I got, and it's quite easy. There are more functions in the MS Excel sheet, like as we move on to the formula step, so we can see the insert function, auto sum, in auto sum there are several functions like sum, average, count numbers, max, min and more functions like this. And now this is the logical function, and this is most used in MS Excel. Text, time. Now we will learn to auto sum this all. So just press it easily, sum, and here is a sum of all the numbers as well as this sum. This, and it is almost done, as you can see. As well as average, just hold the whole column and average. Here is the average that is given, as well as on this. So it is quite easy to just handle this whole thing, as well as this. Average, and now we will highlight this. With some particular colors, like now this one yellow, and average we will get it green. Okay, now or more functions, there we go. Count numbers. Now maximum number in this column is the 89. 89 is the maximum number, as well as this. In this it is a 78, and in this it is a 95, and in the column E it is 90. It is quite achievable task. And this column, F column, it is 99. So now we will highlight this all by the different color, blue, and now we also insert on the formula tabs. Awesome. Now the lowest value, the least minimum value is the 23 in this column. Is the 12 is the least value. This 12 again is the least value. 12 again is the least value in this column. Now this is 33. So now, as we know that it is quite easy to use the function that are built in MS Excel, and it is quite easy for us to use them all. And now we will shade this by orange. So as we move forward in Excel, now we will learn the logical operation if, and it is the most used command in Excel. Now I will explain you by just only giving the example that how it is used. Now from the equal to sign, I am just pasting this command and I am just explaining this how it is worked. If G17 is greater than 100, it will return true. If it is not the greater than 100, it will return false. Now I will enter this command. It is false because it is the value is 0. There is no value inputted in that particular cell G17. Now I will put some values in this G17. I have got it G17. Now I will put 100. So it will return me false. Now I will put the value greater than 100. So it will return me true. Here it is. It is proved. So it is used in several ways to just verify the condition. I will show you another example that how it is worked, how the if command is working. Now in the M column, I will input the command that no, it is not false. Basically, this if n1 is greater than 500, it will return as true. If it is not greater than 500, it will return as false. So now enter this. It is false. If we let the value 500, it is false. It is not greater than 500. If it is greater than 500, then it will return as true. Now I will write the value 550. So now it is true. As I have cleared some concept of MS Excel, and then also if you have any queries about this video, so you can contact me or you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely reply you.